Are you tired of dealing with tangled charging cables cluttering your desk? Say goodbye to the mess and hello to the future of charging. Today, we're counting down the top 5 wireless charging stations that will transform the way you power up your devices. Number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have an innovative foldable 3-in-1 wireless charging station that's perfect for people on the go. This compact powerhouse simultaneously charges your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods with impressive efficiency. What makes this charger special is its foldable design, allowing you to adjust the angle for optimal viewing while charging. It's compatible with iPhone 15 down to iPhone 8, Apple Watch Series 8, 7, 6, SE, and AirPods. The fast charging capability ensures your devices are ready when you are. Whether you're working from home or traveling, this station keeps all your devices powered up without taking much space. The intelligent charging technology protects from overheating and overcharging, giving you peace of mind. Check the description and comments for the link to grab this fantastic foldable charging station. Number 4. At number 4, we have a versatile 3-in-1 wireless charging station that doubles as the perfect gift for any occasion. This station quickly powers up iPhone 16 all the way back to iPhone 8, along with Apple Watch models and AirPods. What sets this charger apart is its thoughtful design that makes it an ideal present for business occasions, holidays, or celebrations. The charging surface accommodates phones with cases, so you don't need to remove your cover. The anti-slip base keeps everything stable, while LED indicators show charging status at a glance. This station features premium materials and modern aesthetics that look professional anywhere. The intelligent system automatically detects your devices and delivers optimal power for safe, efficient charging. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Claiming the number 3 spot is a cutting-edge 15W 3-in-1 wireless charging station ready for the future. This station supports the latest iPhone models, including iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and 8 series. It also powers Apple Watch Ultra, 11, 10, and earlier models, plus AirPods. The 15W fast charging capability means significantly reduced charging times compared to standard chargers. The station features a sleek, space-saving design that organizes your devices beautifully. Premium build quality ensures durability, and non-slip rubber feet keep everything firmly in place. Smart charging technology recognizes each device and adjusts power output accordingly, protecting your gadgets from damage. The ventilated design prevents heat buildup, maintaining optimal performance. Check the description and comments for the link to upgrade your charging game. Number 2, taking the number 2 position is an adjustable 3-in-1 wireless charging station that puts you in control. This station features an adjustable stand, allowing you to position your iPhone at the perfect angle for Face ID, video calls, or watching content while charging. It's compatible with iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro models, Apple Watch Series 1, 9, and AirPods. The real game changer is the flexibility. You can use your phone in landscape or portrait while charging, ideal for multitaskers. Sturdy construction keeps devices secure when adjusting angles. The station includes safety features like overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. The premium finish resists scratches and fingerprints. Cable management keeps wires organized for a clean look. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the ultimate 3-in-1 wireless charging station with a QC 3.0 adapter for maximum performance. This premium station delivers a powerful 15W charge to your iPhone, ensuring the fastest wireless charging speeds. It's compatible with iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, X, and 8 series, including Pro and Pro Max models. It also charges Apple Watch Ultra and standard models, plus AirPods seamlessly. What makes this our top pick is the included QC 3.0 adapter, providing optimal power delivery that competitors lack. The intelligent system features advanced temperature control and foreign object detection for maximum safety. The elegant design makes it a showpiece for any space. Charging surfaces are precisely aligned for perfect positioning every time. If you want the absolute best wireless charging experience, check the description and comments for the link to claim your number 1 station today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.